Yeah, you text me an emoji with a fucking... Okay, Heidi, let's be realistic. You're not fucking 15 years old.
Okay, so we're actually gonna pull a prank on Omar. We're gonna prank him because if you know Omar, he fucks with everybody, so we're gonna fuck with him. See what he's probably gonna call and be like, what? What happened? And he always has his phone on him. So give it a few seconds. There he goes. What's wrong? I'll just put a weird face, sad face. I'm waiting for the phone call. You put a monkey. See what he says? He said stop. He said what? I'm just gonna say it's not good. I'm waiting for this phone call of him freaking out. I think he's gonna call you. Here he goes. He's so predictable. No, he's just normally calling. Yeah, answer it. Hi.
You know, you don't get to do that, right? Like, you don't text somebody like something like that. I don't know. I know you were in the car business before, but you don't go, oh, like emojis, and they're like, not good. Like, it makes it a lot worse. So what is the issue, Heidi?
Wait, babe, you tell him the issue, because you didn't want to tell him.
You bought this car from a chicken hoarder.
What is that? Oh, shit. Are you saying there's chicken shit on it?
There's definitely chicken feathers on it.
That's the issue?
No.
What? Chris, okay, Heidi, don't talk. You're trying to one of my biggest pet peeves when people like pretend that like something's like, oh my god, but they don't say what it is. So, Chris, what is the issue?
At least I'm the one that told you.
Chris, what is the issue?
I told him we weren't gonna take it. And send your money back.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it's junk.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it's junk.
What do you say?
He's like, really? And I'm like, man, this thing isn't worth $20,000. He's like, I'll give you $20,000 right now for it. Buy it out from underneath Omar, but we're not taking this thing.
All right, what's the truth?
That's the truth.
Are you 100%? He hasn't called me, Chris, so I'm pretty sure I wired you guys hours. I don't
well,
think
you should probably call him. That's why we're calling you.
Okay, you didn't? Okay, I don't want to play games right now. Are you being truthful before I call this guy?
Dude, I just got service because I pulled out. He lives in the middle of fucking nowhere with 70,000 chickens and a goddamn zip line in his backyard. And I couldn't talk to you. I tried FaceTiming you and it wouldn't work.
All right, he FaceTimes, or he calls me all the time and texts me all the time. So you're telling me you don't have service, you couldn't use his phone and say, hey, you need to call Omar with this issue?
I was a little upset that I drove 12 hours to see this car like this. He completely bamboozled us.
He what?
He bamboozled us.
Are you 100% serious?
I'm serious, man.
And what did he say to you?
He's like, well, I guess I need to figure out what to do. I was like, yeah, I'm not taking this. I was like, I can't do this for him. Not what he expects.
All right, I have not heard from him yet. That's why. How long ago did you leave?
Literally like 5 minutes ago.
When I text you, because I'm the one that had reception, Omar.
Yeah, you text me an emoji with a fucking... Okay, Heidi, let's be realistic. You're not fucking 15 years old. Text me an emoji ever with a covering monkey emoji ever. I spent a guy $50,000.
Don't take it out on me. I'm sorry.
I'm saying it's simple. Hey, Omar, we have an issue. We don't have any service. This is something that needs to be handled.
Well, because I didn't want you to get mad at me.
Yeah, that makes me...
Heidi,
it makes you 10 times more mad, you doing what you just did, versus saying, hey, there's a huge problem, you need to call this guy right away, we're not taking the car.
Omar, there's a huge problem.
Okay, I'm going to call the guy right now.
Hey.
What?
The car's fine.
What the fuck's wrong with you guys? I literally am riding my bike with sandwiches because there's so much traffic. I had to pull over. You're not funny. Okay.
Are you gonna tell us bye now?